Fractions, fractions, fractions. We are continuing our learning on fractions today. Yesterday, we learned about what it means for things to have equal parts. Today, we are further exploring fractions by studying halves. When you take one item, say a cookie, and you break it into two equal parts, we call those parts halves. Each piece is considered one half and is one of two equal pieces. Let's review that by watching just a small part of the Brain Pop Junior that we watched yesterday.
What is a fraction? A fraction tells you the number of parts out of a whole. Not that kind of whole, Moby. Something is whole when it has all of its parts. I love muffins. This whole muffin has two equal parts. In a fraction, the number of parts goes under a line. There are two parts. You took one part of the muffin, and that number goes on top. So this fraction shows you took one out of two parts. You can also write this as 1/2. What is a half? When you split something in half, you make two equal parts. Right, Moby, there are two halves in a whole. Half for you and half for me. There are two equal pieces, and we each get one piece. Sometimes I see a half moon at night. And everyone loves a half day of school.
That was a great reminder. Now, let's discuss how to complete the Seesaw math activity for today. Once you are ready, tap the green Add Response button. From here, I'm going to click the highlighter button, which looks like this. Then I am going to choose a color I would like to use. And my first direction is to color the shapes that have been cut into half. So I know this first shape has been cut into half, so I'm going to color it in as best I can on my iPad. For the second question, I'm going to use the pencil icon. It says, cut these shapes into half. I'm going to choose a color, and then I'm going to do my best to draw a line that cuts the shapes into two equal parts. Last, I'm going to click on the Move button, which is the first icon on the bottom. The directions for question number 3 say use these shapes below to build a shape with two equal halves. I'm going to drag my shapes into the box provided to try and show a shape that has two equal halves. When I am done, I'm going to click the green check mark button at the top right to submit my work to my teacher. And that's all for math today. Complete the activity on halves, submit it to me, and then make sure you do your 20 minutes of splash math practice for today.